Hi all, my name is Anna Reinbold, and I'm here today to talk about the role of digitalized VM to empower self-managed crews in construction projects. The research purpose was to investigate the current level of adoption of visual management in Finland and how the digitalization of VM can empower self-managed crews during the production phase in construction projects. The method was a literature review about the different topics in the research: visual management, situational awareness, self-managed crews, and level of digitalization in construction projects, and construction site visits in Finland with unstructured interviews with site and project managers. The main findings from the literature review was that visual sense mediates 80 to 85% of human perception, learning, cognition, and activities. And we have noticed this in construction sites and also in the manufacture. And we started to use visual management devices to leverage the perception, learning, cognition, and activities. VM's aim is to provide information in a visual management manner that can be retrieved at a glance at all the times for the ones doing the tasks. Situational awareness is a term that comes from the military, and it is its definition is the perception of elements in the environment within time and space, and the comprehension of their meaning and the projection of their status in the near future. What it means that if you take a decision, you are able to forecast what will be happening. Also, we are now able to collect data from construction sites and transform it into information in a more automated manner, using drones, positioning sensors, static and dynamic image capture, environmental sensors with information about temperature, humidity, and so on. With this range of information, good variety of ways to bring this information to site managers and project managers have appeared with very sophisticated tools, different dashboards with different KPIs, the use of Bing information modeling, and updated information, the capture of images of a certain place where activity is happening at the exact time. On the other hand, what we are making available for the workers. These pictures were taken into a site visit in Finland in February. We have printed plan of the site with flooring information that is attached to the wall with electric tape. We have wooden bins that have information about their installation that was drawn there by the workers. We have the use of color spray to mark the position of structures for drywall. So construction is very dynamic, and a peak of high house building project, we can have one site manager, one project manager, and around 200 workers. So the workers need to be self-managed, need to manage their tasks, their plannings, and take decisions. What is happening now is that they are taking decisions based on information that is improvised, that is outdated, and they are, of course, improvising solutions because they don't have information to take good decisions or to even forecast the impact of their decisions. So as conclusions, digitalization have not reached the construction crews. Adoption of digitalized VM can enable decision making based on updated information by construction workers. It is necessary to shift from improvisation teams that are improvising solutions to problems because they don't have enough information, to become more self-managed teams where they are able to take decisions and plan their works and so on based on information that is available. We have a good range of smartphone applications being developed for construction work and construction sites. They are important to increase the information flow. Nevertheless, they are not visual management devices, because the principles of visual management is that the information is available at all the time and can be retrieved in a glance. And in the case of the smartphones applications, they require active information search. The worker needs to take the phone from where it is stored, for example, the pocket, then look for the application to then retrieve the information they need for the task. Some possibilities for digitalizing VM is the use of local digital screens closer to the production areas of construction projects. There is important work from Rafael Sachs' School Combine that have used this approach already. Use of augmented reality glasses enabling visualization of design details and plan status, for example. Adoption of laser or virtual image projections to compare progress and forecast interferences from different disciplines. This opens much more questions than it answers, but also opens space for future research regarding the information requirements from construction workers, what is the efficient and usable display of production phase information, comparison of results from the adoption of analogic VM tools against the adoption of digitalized VM tools, comparison of different type of digital VM tools, measuring the impact of their adoption. This is what I have for today. Thank you for your attention.